Hi, I'm CJ De Acosta, Marketing Officer of Sony Philippines for Home Entertainment and Sound.
Okay, so what do we have in front of us right now?
Okay, what we have here is the latest 4K Android TV, the 75X8500C. So it has a very user-friendly interface. You can start with the voice search function at the top. Then you have this. The second line is the suggested content for YouTube. Then we have the featured applications, input and applications. So Sony Android TV is a collaboration between Sony and Google. So what we are excited about are the features such as Google Play, Google Cast, and voice search. So what we have here is the Google Play. So make sure that you are logged in using your Gmail account.
Okay, so this is completely different from, because there's a lot of Android TVs, Android powered TVs out there in the market by a lot of other brands, but this is essentially Android TV. It's optimized. This is not just Android put in a TV and they're done. This is completely optimized for this particular TV.
Yes, this is the latest Android TV there is in the market. So it's the only brand that is powered with Android 5.0 or Lollipop.
Oh, this is Lollipop already.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
So all the applications that you can find within this store are specially made for TV. So you can maximize your viewing pleasure and entertainment experience. So if you compare it with a non-Android TV, of course, the user interface is much improved because as we are all familiar with the Android OS using our smartphones, right? So that particular system is now integrated to our TVs. If you compare our Sony Android TV with other Android TVs, ours is updated and more improved because all of the applications that you can find, as what I've said, are specially made for TVs, unlike the other brands. Okay, so these are the games that we have installed so far. So because it's linked to your Google account, you can avail of either free or paid applications.
Okay. This goes for movies as well, correct?
Yes.
Movies and TV shows
Yes.
and music.
Yes.
Okay.
For movies, you can either buy or rent.
Okay.
So there are several applications that you can choose from. In terms of games, you can use the ordinary TV remote, or there are games that will enable you to use a separate gamepad. So I'm using the ordinary TV remote that comes with the TVs. I'm hungry.
It's in glorious 4K. So how much storage does the TV have for games?
Our Sony Android TVs have 16 gig built-in memory.
16 gig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the Sony Android TV can be operated in three ways. First is by using the regular TV remote that comes with each TV. And then we have the one-flick remote. And then you can also use your smartphone, both Android and iOS devices. So the differences between the ordinary TV remote and one-flick remote are as follows. First is in terms of the buttons. So there are so many buttons on the regular TV remote, right? So you want something that is more convenient for you to use, something that is easy to operate. So you can use the one-flick remote. It has a voice search function on top, so you can just press the button and then ask whatever you want. And then there's a touchpad remote. So instead of pressing the buttons on the regular TV remote, you can just flick from one side to another, left to right or up and down. So actually, if you are using your smartphone, both Android and iOS devices, you can install either the Android TV remote or the TV side view. So in here, you just have to connect it to the TV. Make sure that you're connected to the same home network, same Wi-Fi network. And then now you can just press and navigate using your cell phone.
Which is much easier compared to a regular remote.
Yeah, and what's interesting is when you're at home, if you have several Android devices or several smartphones, you can all control.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show us how, because one of the features that was shown to us earlier was that TV can actually understand Tagalog, which
Yes.
is surprising.
Yeah.
Is,
Yeah, the voice search function is available in 50 plus languages, including Filipino. So there. So now it's set in Filipino language.
okay. Can you demo that for us?
Sure. You can click on the microphone icon. Paano magluto ng adobo?
Wow.
So there. So it already shows how to cook adobo as I have requested.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't have a price for the current prop of 4K Android TVs right
Okay,
now?
the Sony Android TV is quite a wide range. So the price ranges from 50,000 to
Okay.
500,000.
So your entry level is 50,000.
Yeah.
And just goes up exponentially depending on
The
model
screen
and
size.
Screen size.
Yes.